Hi, I'm Phil Healy. Welcome to the Inclusive Music Academy. In this short introductory video, I'll be showing you around and explaining how easy it is to be making music with your students in a matter of minutes. Don't worry if you're not a music specialist or if you don't feel very confident using technology. These resources have been made with a busy teacher in mind. You won't have to spend hours of your own time in the evening or at weekends to learn how to deliver these projects. A 5-minute exploration of the introduction, overview and lesson plan is all you need to get going. Just press play on the video and let the experts take over. Generally speaking, there's a short introduction and then straight into the actual step-by-step video tutorial. Are you ready to start your musical journey using technology? Click on the Start Learning button and let's have a quick look around. When we get inside the Academy, we can see on the left-hand side the various projects available. Scroll down to see all the different resources. To access a project, simply click on it. Most projects consist of an introduction, an overview, lesson plans, videos and worksheets. So to get a quick idea about the project, click on the introduction. For more details, click on the overview. Now you see the various elements contained within it. Here, for example, you can see different lesson titles, the curriculum focus, lesson objectives, and additional resources. For more details, click on the lesson plan. For each lesson, you will see the objectives, the overview, learning outcomes, key vocabulary and assessment themes. Moving down, you can see warm-ups, the main focus of the lesson, and the tasks students will engage with, and finally plenary, discussion and extension exercises. Once the lesson is finished, go to the bottom right corner and click Next. Here you'll see a graphic representation of what has been completed. This is useful when you return to the Academy, as you can see exactly where you got up to in the previous lesson. In the project Hello GarageBand, you can see that there are 23 elements to the project, and those that have been ticked are the ones that have been covered so far. Let's click on a video and have a quick look.
My name is Ben, and this is our Hello GarageBand project. Hello. Over the next 8 sessions, we're going to use the GarageBand app on iPad to create 2 compositions. The first one using the inbuilt loops on GarageBand, and the second one using the virtual instruments on GarageBand. Every human has music inside of them, and this project helps you get the music inside you out into the world, even if you don't play a musical instrument. Though if you do play an instrument, it will make things a bit easier. However, the most important things are your ability to be creative, your ability to listen to your work and evaluate and improve it, and your willingness to take musical risks. Most of the really great advancements in music have come from musical risk-taking, and so don't be afraid to push barriers and believe in what you are doing. Each session starts with a warm-up, and then I'll guide you through the compositional process on the iPad, with gaps for you to do each step yourself. Everyone works at different speeds, so take your time, but if you finish early, there's an extension exercise in each lesson, so you can add extra elements to your composition. Are you ready? Let's go.